Hi, Roman here. Today we have a special case study for you. Right now we are at Data Festival, which is an event organized by a university. So some things are done slightly differently than the regular commercial event because this is for public audience and students. So we would like to walk you around and show you what's done differently here. Let's come with us. Data Festival is a really big event. It's happening for over 1,200 attendees. And it's happening over one day in 7 different rooms. So having mobile applications, something like Eventee, is kind of crucial for you to help your attendees, your audience, navigate throughout the day. What I really like here is how the event organizer utilizes the common area. There is plenty of stands here, all of them are partners looking for talent, which makes total sense at an event like this. The biggest difference I noticed here compared to commercial events is that there is no registration. As you can see around me, it's a free area. Everyone can simply walk in, talk to the partners, look at the stands. But there is one exception. You need to have Eventee mobile application and book a seat in case you would like to attend some presentation. Let's look around a little bit more. I cannot wait to see the stands, so let's come with us. What's really nice touch here is that they have dedicated area for partners and speakers with plenty of food and drinks. So if they need to recharge batteries, there is a place to do so. Another nice point is that the crew, they all have pink t-shirts, so it's very easy to be recognized across the area in case of attendees or partners need some support. It's always a good thing to help your audience to create new connection. And in order to help them with that, we highly recommend to create dedicated area with tables and also mark the place very well. And another advice is to use maybe a QR code to promote the application so your attendees can create a connection in advance and book a meeting at your event. Wow, what a great event full of exciting ideas. But now it's time to grab a jacket and go home.